How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to teach you how to reset your Mac to factory settings. So how to restore, how to format your Apple computer. With that, we're going to erase all of its content and settings, absolutely everything. All photos, videos, files, documents, apps, absolutely everything. And of course, this method is irreversible, so no one will be able to retrieve any of your information after we're done. This method is perfect if you want to sell or give away your Mac, or if you just want to bring a brand new life to it. Now, let's begin. All you have to do really is go to the top left corner where you see an Apple logo and then click on System Settings. From here, what you want to do is just click on General and then scroll down until you get to Transfer or Reset. If you don't see this menu or these options, that's because your Mac is outdated. But no problem, because we have a tutorial for you right here on the channel. I'm gonna leave a card right here, link in the description, so you learn how to do that on older Macs, on outdated Macs, okay? But of course, if you see this menu with those options, we're good to go. Let's move on. Okay, so go ahead and click on Transfer or Reset, as you can see. And then we're going to click on Erase All Content and Settings. And of course, we're going to see right here the Erase Assistant, which is a feature built in macOS just to help us with this process. Go ahead and type in your credentials. This, of course, is the password you use when you open up your Mac and you need to unlock it when, for example, Touch ID doesn't work, or when you want to download a software and it requires administrator credentials. Okay, so it's that password. Go ahead and type it in, and then of course go to unlock. Right here, you're gonna see Erase All Content and Settings, but this is important and I wanna give you a very important information right now. Before moving on, make sure to back up any important information. You can do that via the Time Machine app, which is the built-in app for backups on your Mac. So if you don't know how to do it, if you want to do it, if you want to use Time Machine to back up your Mac, that's the time. And also, I have a dedicated video here on the channel. Again, card and link in the description. So you learn how to back up everything on your Mac before moving on with the process. Because as I mentioned, when we go through with this, we're gonna delete everything and it's irreversible. We can't go back, okay? If you don't wanna use the Time Machine feature, you can always save your files in a cloud service or in a thumb drive or in a hard drive. It's up to you. But it's very important that before moving on, save your important data, all right? Now, let's go ahead and continue, as you can see right here. And then, of course, it's asking us to sign out of our Apple account because, of course, we're not just deleting everything, we're also unlinking our Apple account from this device. So after we're done, it will have nothing. It will not be linked with our Apple account whatsoever. After you're done typing your password, we can continue, but if you don't really remember it, because I know a lot of people don't remember their Apple accounts, I'm gonna have a direct link in the description to the official Apple website that will help you recover your credentials. Keep in mind that this is the Apple account. That's your account to Apple. That's the same one you use on your iPhone, for example, that you have the email and the password, right? So it's important to know that. If you don't, link in the description to recover. Now, let's go ahead and continue. As you can see, this step right here may take a while, and as you can see, there's a spinning wheel right here. So don't worry, just let it do its thing. It may take like a minute with nothing going on the screen. Don't worry about that, just wait. And then we're gonna see our final pop-up saying that you are about to erase all content and settings and all of the information that I have already gave you before, okay? This is just a confirmation from Apple. Of course, we are aware of this at this point, so just go ahead and continue. If you have a pop-up like this, you can cancel it. If it asks again, we'll go ahead and type it in. But let's go ahead and continue, erase all content and settings, and let it do its thing. Now that we are waiting a little bit here again, I have to tell you that it's very important that if we're using a MacBook, so a computer with a battery, make sure you have enough battery for the process, like at least 50% or more. If you are low on battery, I do recommend that you plug it in before moving on. Okay, as you can see, we're good with the process. The computer has just shut down and the reset process has begun. We have here the Apple logo and a loading bar at the bottom. What we're gonna see here is this loading bar filling up, and then it's gonna be empty and then filling up and empty, and your Mac will actually restart a couple times. Again, you don't need to do anything at this point, just wait, okay? Keep waiting, it'll just take a minute or two and I'll be back. And so you're gonna see a screen like that activate Mac. And by the way, I'm really sorry, this screen is super dirty. I just realized it now on camera. Sorry about that, but it'll work, okay? So as you can see, we have to activate our Mac and we need internet connection for this. So go ahead and choose your Wi-Fi network. It's gonna be very hidden here at the top. Okay, so click on it, as you can see, and then there you go, you have the available Wi-Fi networks, or of course you can always use an Ethernet cable. Okay, so let's go ahead here and choose the Wi-Fi network in our studio. I'm gonna go ahead and type in the password, and then of course I'm going to join. And then again, all you have to do is check if the connection has finished. It has, and then as you can see, all the text is gone. It realized there's connection, right? And it's doing its thing, it's working, so just wait. We have a spinning wheel right here, so let it do its thing. And then you're gonna see your Mac is activated. It will restart in a few seconds. Of course, you can manually go ahead and click on restart right here, and it will do just that. Again, let's wait a bit. And as you can see, we've got the beautiful hello screen. As I mentioned, when we're done, our Mac is gonna look brand new, as if it was opened out of the box for the very first time. And all you have to do really is press on any key, and of course you're gonna choose right here your language, your region, and you're gonna move on with the setup process. But of course, if you wanted to do this because you're about to sell or give away your Mac, you don't need to do anything else. You're good to go. You can already give your Mac to the person as it is. It's completely erased, completely blank. None of your information is here anymore. Your Apple account has been removed. You're good to go. And of course, if you wanted to do this because you want to bring a brand new life to your Mac, as I said, just go ahead and set it up as usual. Pretend it's a brand new Mac and just have fun. So, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos, guys. Bye-bye.